warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nurhuda Rizky Isnawan. I'm as the moderator of Group 7. Today we are gonna give our presentation about online prostitution in Indonesia. But first, let me introduce our member of group. I am Nurhuda Rizky Isnawan as the moderator, Dewi Aprilia as first speaker, Rika Dewi Murti as second speaker, Dwi Cahyaningrum as third speaker, Dava Octaviani as fourth speaker, and Felix Januar as fifth speaker. Our presentation will be divided in section discussion. First is about what is online prostitution, and second is about how online prostitution, and third is about how online prostitution can happen in Indonesia, and fourth is about law government about online prostitution, and 5 is about example for the case from online prostitution, and the last we will summarize our presentation. Okay, let's start our discussion today.
My name is Dewi Aprilia, NIM 210024319. I will explain what is prostitution online about. Technology development do not always have positive impact. One of the negative impact that often arises is online prostitution. Prostitution is the use of someone in sexual activity for a reward. In practice, prostitution is widespread, tolerated, and regulated. Prostitution is the most visible practice of prostitution. Often manifested in Indonesia, prostitution complex also known as localization and can be found throughout the country. The difference between ordinary prostitution and online prostitution is the presence of other practices involved, namely those who provided the media used by pimps or prostitution to promote themselves.
Saya Rika Dewi Murti, NIM 21000243335. Okay, now let's move on into the reason why online prostitution happen. Online prostitution occurs because it is motivated by the development of modernization that result in an increasing number of online prostitution. The development of modernization characterized by the advancement of technology. A free lifestyle and frenetic luxury is used by some people to practice online prostitution in order to keep up with the flow of the era full of luxury and technological sophistication. In addition, online prostitution also occurs because of economic circumstances that force a person to undergo online prostitution. This is the most common factor, but over time it turns out that online prostitution is not only done by people who are least economically status, but also by people who have upper middle economic status and even put up fantastic rates. Then, lifestyle that is not suitable and always want a luxury, so take the path of prostitution as a shortcut to earn a lot of money.
Name Dwi Cahyaningrum. Topic: how is online prostitution in Indonesia? In Indonesia, prostitution is not a new problem. The problem of prostitution has been around for a long time and has not been resolved until now. This online prostitution works by offering women through a website or Twitter or Telegram address. The website owner works by displaying photos of women who are ready to serve her customer. The customer just goes and contact the pimps who are also on the website. Prostitution still occurs in Indonesia because most of the perpetrators have economic pressure to meet their needs or fulfill a glamorous lifestyle. Besides that, another factor is that negative Western moral and culture have entered Indonesia.
Number of people who use online prostitution service as people who use the service of sex peddlers may be subject to section under Article 284 of the Criminal Code concerning adultery with a maximum imprisonment of 9 months. In addition, pimps and perpetrators of online prostitution can also be subject to section based on Article 45, Paragraph 1, Junto Article 27, Paragraph 1 of a Law Number 19 of 2016 concerning amendments to Law Number 11 of 2008 concerning information and electronic transaction, and Article 61, Paragraph 2, Junto Article 42, Paragraph 2, letter A and C provide section for everyone who become a commercial sex worker and for everyone who used the service of a commercial sex worker with a criminal section in the form of imprisonment for a minimum of 20 days and a maximum of 90 days or a fine of at least 500,000 rupiah and a maximum of 30 million rupiah.
My name is Felix Januar Wahipurnama. Name 210000243333. Now I will present an example of legal response. An example of a prostitution case occurred in Madiun, IBM with the initial ESM. A housewife, a resident of Sumberjo Village, Geger District, Madiun Regency, was arrested for a criminal act of online prostitution involving a minor. There was also an artist with the initial CA, Cassandra Angelia, who was arrested by the police for an alleged prostitution case. Then Cassandra and the 3 men who become her pimp were first charged with Article 27 paragraph Junto Article 40.
So, in conclusion, online prostitution is still exists in Indonesia. There are laws, but enforcement is lacking. Technological development is so fast and not accompanied by moral development too. I think that's all from our video. I hope you can learn something from our video. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.